Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Visa gift card onto your Uber Eats account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubereats.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Uber Eats website. If you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials or use your Google or Apple account and you will be logged into your account right away. Once you have been logged in, you can start placing your order immediately. Now, if you wish to add your Visa gift card and redeem it onto your Uber Eats, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Wallet. You will now be taken into your Uber wallet, within which you can click on Add Payment Method and you will find the gift card menu. Click on the gift card menu and you will be asked to enter your redeem code. Type in your Visa gift card redeem code within the Enter Your Code box and then click on the Apply button, and now your gift card for Visa will be redeemed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your Visa gift card onto your Uber Eats account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.